Quantity is 1. Okay, lumber 4 is being made. What else? Wire is 3. Twine is 6. Twine is 6. Okay. Wine is being made. Wire is 3. Wire. Come on, move please. Wait, where is wire made? Wire. Do I not have the recipe yet? Maybe that's the thing. Yeah, I think... Oh no. Well... Okay. Perfect. So that is being made. What else? No, this one. Refined fiber is 4. Refined fiber. Refined pigment. This one. Autofill. You need... Okay. Just craft one of these for now. Let me equip myself with a sickle and go get some stuff. And I really wish there were no performance issues with this game. Then I would have played this a little bit longer, but the performance issues, it just makes it bad. Yeah, the experience becomes so much harder with performance issues. Like the little bit of lags and stuff that I see, it just removes the fun in that experience. Refined fiber. 1, 2, yeah. Craft. Wait, what? Why is it not crafting? Add fuel. Oh. Okay. How long does it need? 1 minute? I did not see that you need to add fuel for this. Okay. Sure. Is it like 1 minute for one of these or 1 minute for the entire? Okay, it's 1 minute for the entire thing. Nice. I should be able to complete that. Okay. Now, apart from that, apart from crafting benches, I even got a storage. Let's see. Because it's 2 ingots, 2 lumber. How big is this? Pretty big. Nice. 2 lumber, 2 ingots. Two lumber, 2 ingots. Oh, I can only make one. Okay, make this one now. Yeah, this one does not need. Maybe it needs fuel, but I don't remember putting fuel for that. Let's see. Do you have anything? Ah! Oh, that's my inventory. Why am I looking at that? Okay, I need this. Okay. Nice. Okay, what do you have? Frontiersman's boots. What is this? Weight, durability, stealth. Man, I really wish it told me how much. What's the gear rating of these? Simple boots. Okay, very, very high durability. Very high max health, and it also gives me max stamina. Okay. I will make one of these. 2 rope, 2 buttons. 2 buttons? Okay. Let me see if I can make a button. Antiquarium card, cleansing card. Okay, they are not there. Unlock provisioner card. Two buttons. Shaft. No, I don't have that recipe. Or maybe I need to craft these to get that. Yeah. Okay, I need one more ingot for that. Oh my god. Okay, now let me see. Can I craft a crafting bench? Okay. Okay. Mortar. Saw table. Okay. Sewing bench. Smelter. What? What is this? Is that a chainsaw? Axe head. Barrel. Blade. Oh, buttons. Okay, so it's in advanced smelter. So I need an advanced smelter. Ingots, shaft, wire, carved stone. Shaft and carved stone. Carved stone is probably over here. Carved stone. Shaft. Shaft. It's over here. Okay, I can make these. It's made from an ingot. So it needs 5 ingots. 3 shafts, 1 wire, 1 carved stone. Oh my god, it's... Okay. So I will probably store everything that I can and go for ingots. Yeah. How much is my 35.23 is my weight capacity right now? I will probably just explore this place also once I have all the ore and stuff. Wait, what is that collect? It's this one. Okay, what is this? Ignore. Nice. How much did I get from that? 8 tenor. Also, speak. Okay. Work here, follow me, stand still. Yeah, just stand still. So now I got 8 raw gem. Okay. Raw gem. I don't know if I need raw gem though. So let me just take the ore. Nice. 15? Where did I lose one of the tin ore? It should be 16. And okay, so I don't want any of those. Yes. Nice. 20. Did some of the stuff fall down or something? Tier 1 essence. Okay. Nice. Take shelter. What's happening? Oh my... Okay. I'll probably go explore this place. I need to get out of here. I need to take shelter. Oh, Estelle. I left Estelle out there. uh... Follow me, please. Follow me. Okay, thank you. How much carry capacity do I have? Still a lot. Okay. I will explore this place. By that time, that will open up. And it'll be perfect. Nice. Okay. That's the way forward. Oh. What? Estelle, come. Help me, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me get out. What? He... Okay. She's injured, so she won't be able to come help me. Oh, man. That thing is down. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh no, this thing is there. And okay. You know, I thought this is a early region, so I thought I could just take it on easily. So I just went in with like my climbing picks, but instead I got destroyed. You know, I can actually give up. It's like very close to my base. But I want to wait a little bit because I saw that Estelle was down. I want to see if she comes back up because I went down. It doesn't look like that. Okay. Memento Mori. Yeah, let's see. I have everything with me. I did not drop anything. I have everything with me. Okay. Was it crafting even before I ignited it? Let's see. No, it stopped. Okay. So which means it's weird that I can't put stuff in here. Like for example over here, it it can only pick stuff up from my backpack. It cannot pick stuff up from my storage. Okay. Okay. And every single time when you yes, extinguish and ignite it back again, that animation comes back. This is really weird. So that is done. Let's see how... What is this? What is this? Okay. Capacity 15 out of 15. Capacity 0 out of 40. It's more than double. Okay, okay. That's insane. The amount of storage capacity that this thing has. It's just insane. Okay. One of these should be more than enough for now. That is so much storage. Yeah. I need smelter, right? So let's see. I need 5 ingots just as raw. We got 3 ingots. Okay. Apart from that, I need 1 carved stone, 1 wire. One carved stone. Okay, so that is done. Heartstone is done. One wire is done. 3 shafts. Okay. So, I have one additional ingot with me for some purpose. I guess just store it here. Also, I should have probably checked all of these. I have so many ingots. What? Okay, I should have probably checked these before crafting all of that. Okay. Raw gem. Okay. Thread. Okay. Wick. I will take my revenge over there. I will go back and kill all of those guys. 2 more shafts. 10 seconds and I'll be done. Yeah, this is the short rest. Because it's daytime, I assume. So I just quickly restore my stamina when I do that. Okay. Now let's see. Now I should have buttons. Yes, which is an ingot. Okay. Let me come back here. So this requires 2 buttons. Yeah. 2 buttons. Okay, 2 buttons are done. And then rope. 2 rope. Two rope. Rope is probably over here, right? No? Over here? Okay, I'm looking at every single place to get one single item. Where is the rope? And I'm still not finding it. I have to go back to my stuff. Rope should be refined textile, maybe. Charms, cloth, fiber, rope. Rope is over here, but I don't know if that is unlocked or not. I feel like it's not unlocked yet. Wait. I do have it. Oh, does it need to be same? Oh my god, I hate this. It needs to be the same type of button. Like this is just not going well. Okay, just save it over here. I think let me just go ahead and see what's the up. So I need tier 2 essence. Okay. So, I will go ahead and upgrade my armor a little bit. Yeah. And then yeah. Nice. Okay. So what is my gear score? Let me equip this. 43? Really? That's it? Previously it was 40. Now it's 43. Okay. I guess I need to upgrade all of my gear for it to make any sort of difference over here. It wants me to reach a gear score of 60, which is so high right now. Yeah. Okay. I'll go here, complete this. Yeah, I need to take it slow a little bit. I cannot just rush in here. These things are still over here. Interesting. Wait, did it die? There is no way. Oh, I'm low. I'm low. Dude, Estelle, do something. He's just standing there looking at him. Oh my god, this guy. Okay. What did I get? Ingots. Nice. Okay. Come on, Estelle, let's go in here. Where are you? What? I tried to dodge. Okay, I'm probably dead here. Oh my god, I lived. Okay, where is Estelle? I need her. And this thing does so less damage. I hate this thing. Oof. Okay, now is my time. So I can't go too near him either. Yeah. What? That did no damage? How? Okay. Let's see. Yeah. That's what I need to do. But that's doing like 45 damage. Is that even good? That's 125 damage. Yeah, there is no way I'm doing that stupid move. Oh, he's still alive. Is he? Okay, he's dead. What do you have? It's the same ingot. Okay.